We are in the beautiful community of Russell Heights. See that? Clothes are about to open. On the delivery trail again. Really nice community. So this customer is not here. I want us to deliver a package to the security guard, which we have no problem doing. So let's do this. Package are too big for come through, yes, I know. Alright, regular thing. Boss yourself and this deal. We appreciate you always being gracious and ready to do the work. Big up yourself and thanks much here. Alright, big up. Hey guys, you've been watching our videos. Why haven't you signed up yet? Come on, it's been a while. Now, you should sign up for a free shipping account with us so you can be one of our Prime members. Yeah, when you sign up, also sign up for a Platinum membership, which allows you to get 4 free shipping coupons for the year. You're missing out. Why are you missing out on all of this? Come on, be a part of the family. You know how we do. Sign up. Click the link up here. Check out at the bottom of our webpage for the promotions link. You'll know all that we're doing all day, every day. Looking forward to seeing you.
All right.